Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a data set. There's a use case which says I wanted to combine my all strings as well as the number. Okay, so there's a use case and there is no function in Power Query which can combine a number and text together. There is a error if you combine them. Okay, so how do we resolve this query? Let's see. Here is the index number. Okay, their whole number, and this is my first name, it is in string. Second, the middle name, which is in string, and the last name, which is in string, and the final and the final field, which is salary. Okay, so final field, which is salary, and I want you to combine all the fields together as a string. So what do I do? Let's say if I have a scenario where I have to use composite column. I have to make a primary key in the table. So how do I do that? Whether there's a number or any sort of data type, doesn't matter. So let's see how we can do that. We have to go on add column, custom column option. I'm going. I rename it this as a combine column, and I'm going to write the function like text dot combined dot combine. Here's a function text dot combine. So I use this function Text.Combine. Okay, so let's see how we can use that. But it says the first parameter says which is text. Okay, so it's not like you just simply go and add the text like that, and you go and add the text like that, and let's see, just go with the two things only, and in last, you see there is an error. This is not there is function incorrect, right? It says okay, so let's create okay. It's an error. Okay, so does this error says details pattern argument listing, argument which is in list. Okay, so the argument which we write in list, it is not able to recognizable by the Power Query. Okay, so I made this mistake to make you understand fully this function and how the Power Query functionality works behind the scenes. So we have to use this list list symbol. There's a flower bracket, you can see. Okay, then we can add the first name, and we can add the middle name. Okay, as well as you can choose from here and here as well. If you have multiple fields here and right hand side, then you can choose from there by writing as well, just by last name. Okay, so I put all my three fields together. Okay, now I wanted to add one more field, which is salary, but here I'm writing a text function. It doesn't add those add this salary. So what I'm going to do, I use a function which is called number dot to text. Make sure when you click on the IntelliSense list, it will whatever the things you have written before, it will just write ahead the formula. So as you have seen here, what it says, the number. Okay, it's a just single one argument only, just a number. Okay, so I'm going to put the salary here. Okay, and I simply close it. I simply close this. Okay, number to text, and I'm going to close my flower bracket as well. Okay, and I move on second parameter. What it says means my first name, second name, and the middle name. What I wanted to make it separate by them. So I want to make the separate by simply simply by the single space. So here I put the last parameter, which is a single space, and let me click OK. It says no syntax error have been detected, so let me click OK. So if you see here, you are not able to visible whether the result come, but you're not able to recognize it or you're able to see it. So once you click here, you can see here. So here is a number, Rakesh Kumar Sharma, 10,000. So 10,000, it's a kind of a, as you know, it's a whole number, and the strings are and the names are in string. So that's how we solve this query, and I hope I'm able to clear the things to you. Thank you.